In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to fund your GoMining account. It is super easy to do. So before I really start this tutorial, I want to say there's several ways to fund your GoMining account, and I'll show you every single way that you can fund your account. So the first way is to buy GMT or GoMining tokens. And to do that, you simply need to go up here and click buy GoMining tokens up here. Then there's 4 options. You can see here, you can swap or bridge your crypto right here by connecting your wallet to either a Kraken or any other wallet that supports GoMining tokens. Then from here, you can also buy it on exchanges right here. You can buy it with crypto. As you can see, you can buy it with Bitcoin, Ton, Solana, Ethereum, Tether, USDC, Binance Pay, Coinbase Pay, and Gate Pay. But you can also do it with card. As you can see here, you can buy it with Visa cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, but you need to be aware there's a higher fee if you want to buy it with card instead of just buying it with your crypto. As you can see here, the maximum is 4%, which can get a lot high if you buy a lot or several times. Now the next method is also really easy. The first thing you need to do is go up here like we did before and then click deposit. Then you have 2 options. You can either deposit crypto or buy GoMining tokens. And if you click on buy GoMining tokens, you'll get this page where we just were before. So let's go into deposit crypto instead. And as you can see here, now you need to select a network. You can either choose BNB chain, Ethereum, Ton, or Solana chain. Then from here, you need to click on it, and then you'll see your wallet address that you can copy, and then go over to Kraken or any other crypto exchange or wallet that you have, and then send the crypto over using this address. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!